Namaskar, this is Anamika and you are tuned into IIMT News. Today's headline focuses on the oath-taking ceremony which was attended by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Ministers, industrialists and the celebrities. Let's first know about the Maharashtra Assembly election results 2024. Devendra Fadnavis had emerged as the front runner for the top post as the BJP alone secured 132 seats in the 288-member House. The National Democratic Alliance (NDA) in Maharashtra, also known as Mahayuti, includes the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena and the Ajit Pawar camp of the Nationalist Congress Party (NCP). BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis on Thursday evening took oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra for the third time, while Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar were sworn in as Deputy Chief Ministers in at Mumbai's Azad Maidan. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis previously held the position of Chief Minister of Maharashtra from 31st October 2014 to 12th November 2019. The new cabinet formation is seen as a significant development in Maharashtra politics. Fadnavis, in his first press conference after taking oath, said that his government will work for the development of the state and that the direction and speed of work will remain the same. Mr. Fadnavis recounted the changeable nature of posts, underscoring that it made no difference to their coordination. Earlier too, he has called the post a technicality. He further said, in 2014, I was the Chief Minister and Shinde was with us. In 2019, for 72 hours, Ajit Dada and I were Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister. After that, Shinde was the Chief Minister and Ajit Dada and I were Deputy Chief Ministers. Now, I am the Chief Minister and they both are Deputy Chief Ministers, he said. Our roles have changed but the direction is the same. The pace is the same. Now the question is, will it make the difference? On this, Fadnavis said, you will not see anything different when you talk about the relation between the three of us, he added. He then said, this is a government of very fast decisions. Today, on the occasion of the oath ceremony, I say the pace at which Maharashtra is going, we will not stop, he said. We have to make sure that all the decisions are well thought, made at the same pace. That's all for today's update. Stay connected with us at IIMT News for more coverage on national and global affairs.